The job seeker attention span has changed in the post-COVID world. Students are reconsidering the return on investment of college as they explore alternative career pathways. Recruiting has completely changed as people digitize resumes and no longer have patience to read long job descriptions. Skilled craftsmen are stretched too thin to be endlessly searching job boards and interviewing. Classet simplifies the trades job search by streamlining the candidate experience. Classet makes finding a skilled trades job simple with our common application and career exploration tools. We match you directly with the best candidates so you have a predictable pipeline of new talent. By targeting tradespeople in their natural habitat, like social media and trades forums, we are able to recruit people before they are actively looking for a new job. We index heavily on video-first content to show them what it's like to work at your company and help them get prepared before they even step on site. With branded career pages and customized videos on your career paths, you can put your best foot forward in front of all candidates. Classet is your skilled trades recruiting toolbox. Sign up today and start receiving quality candidates.